Hello everyone, it's me Uncle John. Today I am going to read S3 33138 Word Atlas by Anna Prokost. What is an atlas? This book is an atlas, a book of maps. In this atlas, there are maps of 8 regions of the world: North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, Australia, New Zealand and the Pacific Islands, Antarctica and the Arctic. There is also a second map of Australia and New Zealand. Each map shows the countries in a region. The maps show mountain ranges, rivers and lakes. They also show some famous landmarks. You can use the maps in this book to find many different and exciting places in the world. The Himalayas in Asia, the Amazon River in South America, Niagara Falls in North America, the Sphinx in Egypt. Using an atlas, the maps in an atlas contain tools to help people find what they are looking for. Tools make it easier to read a map and find a certain place. Some tools that are used in this atlas are shown on the map on these pages. North Pole, Equator, South Pole. The equator is an imaginary line around the middle of the Earth. It's the same distance from the North Pole as it is from the South Pole. Usually, the closer an area it is to the equator, the hotter its climate. The further an area is from the equator, the colder its climate. A locator map shows where each region is found in the world. Each country in a region is shown in a different color. This makes it easier to identify one country from another. Equator is shown as a dotted blue line. National boundaries on each region are shown with solid lines. Capital cities in each region are shown with the star symbols. Other major cities are shown with red dots. Disputed boundaries are shown with the dotted lines. A compass rose shows the directions on a map. N points to north, E points to east, S points to south, and W points to west. A key contains pictures called symbols. On a map, symbols stand for different things found in an area. The key explains what the symbols stand for. The world. This map shows the different land areas on Earth. It also shows the Earth's oceans. About 3/4 of the Earth's surface is covered by water. The Pacific Ocean covers about 1/3 of the Earth's surface. The globe shows how close Asia is to North America. North America contains nearly every kind of land type. Mountains, forests, deserts, jungles, and tundra are all found there. The world's longest national boundary separates the countries of Canada and the United States. The Bolsa Mexicana de Valores building is in Mexico City. Bryce Canyon is in southwestern United States. The CN Tower can be seen on Toronto's skyline. South America contains the Andes, the longest mountain range in the world. The Amazon rainforest is also found in the region. It is home to many kinds of animals. Angel Falls in Venezuela is the world's highest waterfall. The ancient city in Peru is called Machu Picchu. Buenos Aires, Argentina. Africa is home to the Sahara, the world's largest desert. The world's longest river, the Nile, is also in Africa. People have lived near the Nile for thousands of years. The Sphinx is in Egypt. It was built thousands of years ago. Amboseli National Park in Kenya. Cape Town in South Africa. The Sahara is the world's largest desert. Europe. Europe is a small region which has many countries. Snowy forests lie in the northern countries and many rivers flow through the central countries. The southern countries are hot and dry. The Alps mountain range spreads through many European countries. Moscow is the largest city in Russia. The Parthenon is in Athens, Greece. Asia. Asia is home to more than half of the world's people. The region has the world's highest mountain, Mount Everest. It also has the world's largest lake, the Caspian Sea. Mars Express leaves the Baikonur Cosmodrome in Kazakhstan on a mission to Mars. The Taj Mahal is in India. Tokyo, Japan. Australia, New Zealand, and the Pacific Islands. This region contains the countries of Australia, New Zealand, and Papua New Guinea. Many island nations in the Pacific Ocean are also part of the region. Sydney is the largest city in Australia. Uluru is in Australia's central desert region. It's a monolith or large block of stone. The emu is found only in Australia. Aoraki in New Zealand. Traditional thatched houses in Fiji. The Great Barrier Reef is the largest coral reef on Earth. Antarctica is the coldest, driest, and windiest place on Earth. Scientists from many countries work in research stations in Antarctica. McMurdo Station is the largest research station in Antarctica. The Arctic Ocean and the northern part of North America, Europe, and Asia make up the Arctic region. The polar bear lives in the Arctic. There are many icebergs in the Arctic Ocean. Greenland, Svalbard, Norway, Franz Josef Land, Novaya Zemlya, Severnaya Zemlya, Chukchi Sea, there are many icebergs in the Arctic Ocean. Australia and New Zealand. Australia, with its huge deserts, grasslands, and rainforests, is one of the flattest and oldest countries in the world. New Zealand, however, has many mountains and valleys, as well as hot springs and geysers. The Devil's Marbles are huge boulders in the Northern Territory near Tennant Creek. The koala is found in the eucalypt forests of eastern Australia. People climb to the top of the Sydney Harbour Bridge to see wonderful views of Sydney and the Pacific Ocean. Parliament House attracts many visitors to the national capital, Canberra. Mount Ruapehu is an active volcano on the North Island of New Zealand. The flightless kiwi lives only in New Zealand. Tasmania, Victoria, New South Wales, South Australia, Queensland, Northern Territory, Western Australia. The end.